my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm very happy to have every single one of you here. Today I am jumping on to share with you my menu for next week and then my weigh-in for this past week. I know, it's confusing. I'm just all over the place. That's the chaos. There's a lot of that's the chaos moments on this channel. I'm not wrong. So anyways, I'm going to try and keep this video short and sweet because I don't know why, because I'm going to keep it short and sweet for you guys so you don't have to sit here and listen to me ramble. I'm brain fried today. Brain fried. So anyways, really quick before we get started on this, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. It lets YouTube know that you guys are enjoying my videos, encourages them to promote my videos so we can continue to grow our YouTube family. And speaking of YouTube family, guys, I would love to have you as part of mine. All you have to do is subscribe by hitting that little button down in the corner and we will be instant YouTube family. All right, so let's go ahead and get started on the menu for next week. If you guys have any questions about the recipes, nutritional information, just comments or questions in general about my life, who I am, what I do, just leave it down below and I'll get back with you as quickly as I can. All right, so time for me to put on my goggles. As always, I'm using my Jeffree Star light, so you got some Jeffree Star reflections in there. Sorry for the glare. Sorry. Okay, so menu is going to be pretty easy for this week. Let's see, Monday, I'm making that, what is it? Weight Watchers rosemary and garlic pork tenderloin that I talked to you about last week because we didn't cook it. So I just switched it to Monday for this week. Mondays, I like to do a crock pot meal with my family just because Monday evenings, we're tired. I really don't typically feel like doing a whole lot of cooking, so it's something I can just get ready on Sunday night, throw in the crock pot Monday morning, and dinner is ready. So anyways, we're doing the Weight Watchers rosemary and garlic pork tenderloin, and just in case you don't remember, I'm going to be adding a great big bag of the fresh California blend vegetables to that. Tuesdays, we do lunch meat and chips here, just to keep it simple. I like to keep things simple. Wednesdays, we always do a WW friendly meal. Now, this is a new recipe for me. This is a Thai ground turkey with jasmine rice. I haven't had it before. The Thai turkey itself is 0 points, but I'm planning on adding a half cup of jasmine rice to it, which is 4 points. So that'll be a 4-point meal. I'll let you know what I think of it. Thursdays, we do leftovers. If we have any, we might not. If we don't have leftovers, I'll come up with something. Fridays, pizza and salad. Still haven't gotten to make my stinking barbecue chicken salad with pineapple, but I'm gonna get it one of these days, guys. Maybe this week is my week. I don't know. Saturday, I'm making breakfast both days, which you know means I don't have to work. Woo-hoo-hoo. I love it. I'm going to have some time off. So Saturday, we're doing eggs and sausage for breakfast. Lunch, I like to do lunch meat and chips just to keep it simple because we're usually out running errands. And then Saturdays for dinner, I like to do a crock pot recipe or an instant pot recipe, and we're going to be doing cracked chicken. I haven't made that for a long time, but I know my family is going to be really excited about that. And then on Sunday for breakfast, I'm going to be using some kind of a Lily's baking chip. Right now I have the salted caramel ones, but I'm going to be doing a pancake bake with those. I just can't seem to get enough of those lately. Then we'll do leftovers on Sunday for lunch if we have any. And then I'm going to be doing street tacos for dinner. And just in case you guys didn't notice, the street taco recipe was from last week also. We didn't eat it because we had other stuff, so I just transferred it over to this week's menu. All right, that is everything I have for my menu. Like I said, if you want nutritional information, points, ingredients, whatever, just let me know down in the comments. I'll get back with you. And then real quick for my weigh-in, it wasn't a terrible week of eating. I did pretty good with my tracking, but I gained this week. I gained 0.2 pounds. I'm guessing it's water weight because this is the week during the month where I typically gain weight, if you know what I'm talking about. I've gained up to 5 pounds before. this particular week of the month. So 0.2 pounds. I'm not disappointed. I'm just going to keep drinking my water, flushing it out of my system, and I'll probably be right back on track as far as my weight goes next week. We will see. Not a big deal because I know I did what I was supposed to this week. So that puts me at a total of 31.1 pounds lost. And yeah, that is it, guys. I will let you go because, like I said, I wanted to keep it short and sweet. Again, if you haven't already, thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below. And until next time, guys, keep smiling.